So this book literally flipped my life upside down. I don't know if I can call it a book because it's an ancient Indian tantric text. And no, not that kind of tantra, but this is the Shiva Sutras. I've been exploring it deeper after I learned it during my meditation teacher training in Bali. But I want to talk about one of my favorite verses from this text because I go to it over and over again when I feel disconnected from myself. I always thought that the goal of spirituality was peace, right? Like when you meditate, you're supposed to be more still and more at peace. And that's something that I've heard a lot as well. And of course, peace and calm is beautiful. But what the Shiva Sutras say is something so different. And this particular verse that I love, Vismayo Yoga Bhumika, which translate to the stages of union are filled with wonder. So when you're connected, you don't necessarily feel calm or peace or even enlightenment, but you feel wonder. And you don't need to be perfect at life or meditation to experience this. This verse is saying the moment you're in, the life you're living, who you are right now is filled with beauty and awe and wonder. And when you can tap into that frequency of beauty and wonder, there is no way that you will feel lack. It's that moment when you stare up at the sky and you're literally so in awe of its beauty that your mind cannot comprehend or even spiral, and there's no mind chatter because you're so in your body in awe of this moment. It's when you can really land in your body in this moment and actually experience the magical fact that you are alive, like actually alive. You're breathing, you're feeling, you're experiencing this whole reality. When you can stop and actually feel that, you will be overwhelmed with the feeling of how gorgeous and wonderful life actually is. That is Vismaya. That is wonder. Most of us are just walking around life waiting to feel better, right? Like we're waiting to manifest the next thing. We're waiting to feel happy or peaceful or arrive somewhere. And you're missing the wonder of this present moment, the beauty of it, and the beauty of you. So this verse is saying, stop waiting. There's nowhere to be but here. Wonder is the path. It's not the destination. It's not something that you get to. So the most spiritual thing you can do today is not meditate more, although your daily practice is important. But today, look up at the sky. Look at your own hands. Literally look at yourself in the mirror and be amazed by the fact that you exist. That's it. That's the practice. Spirituality is so simple, you guys, and it's so uncomplicated. Just come back to wonder. Come back to that childlike part of you that finds everything fascinating and beautiful. That is the real you. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever felt genuine wonder at just being alive. I want to hear from you.